All right, so welcome to American Airgunner Gun Fun, or as in this case, it might be a little gun crazy. What we've got here is a watermelon. We also have a 12 gauge shotgun shell that I'm gonna try to shoot a 22 pellet rifle through the hole, hit the back of the shotgun shell, trigger it, and hopefully, bam! Put on your safety glasses and do not do this at home. I'm gonna use the Air Arms S410 TDR here. We got some shields here trying to block us in case anything goes wrong, and safety glasses. Hit it. All right, so I'm shooting at a little gold ring. All of a sudden I can't see the little gold ring. So I hit something here. Let's go take a look. Okay, so there's my pellet. All right, so it looks like I hit right of the primer. I mean, I guess you gotta be dead on that primer. Let's keep trying, right? So I just need to move it a hair left. Ah! I hit it! But the watermelon's still there. What happened? Look at that. So it went through, hit the primer, and there's all the, there's the shot. So we need to do it again and back the watermelon up so it has time for the wad to come out and the shot to spread and blow the watermelon up. Let's try it one more time. We've created a tube with the only thing that we have, which is PVC pipe. So we've now got a barrel and our watermelon pushed back. So our thought is that we'll come through, hit the primer, it'll ignite a little bit longer sitting in the barrel, that gunpowder, and then launch the shot right through and just destroy that watermelon. If this works, it's gonna be awesome. Please do not do this at home. Let's go. I'm gonna have to go take a look at this. So this pellet melted in here. This pellet right here is on top of, well, it was on top of the other pellet that was there. I'm hitting in there, I'm just not hitting the primer. I mean, that's literally on the primer. We gotta keep trying this, right? We gotta finish this. We gotta finish this. Oh! Bam! Woo! Yeah! That was awesome! I'm gonna say that's a success. So here's what happened. So there you go. Hit the primer again. Our barrel situation, it was a little bit bigger than the shell. I don't think it was a tight enough fit in there to really get it to really launch that, that shot out at a high velocity. But you know what? We did it, and we did it twice. So we successfully set off a 12 gauge shotgun with a 22 caliber pellet gun. I enjoyed it. All right, we can't let this watermelon go to waste. All right, so I had two goals today. Number one, I wanted to essentially ignite a 12 gauge shotgun shell with a pellet gun. We did that, and we did it twice. And the second thing I really wanted to do today was destroy a watermelon.
3, 2, 1.
Check out more of our segments we got here on our YouTube page and keep watching American Airgunner. We love ya. Next week on American Airgunner, it's the season finale, and of course, we'll have our final televised installment of the Round Table. I think we'll wrap up the season with a discussion about field targets. And speaking of field targets, I'm heading to the Northeast to compete in the Airgun Field Target Competition, an event that I was challenged to compete in, and all I can say is, challenge accepted. Wish me luck. We'll see you next week on American Airgunner.
This here's 024 to home range, take 1.
Yeah!